We are unique here at Kare Health and Wellness in that we are a small, independent, locally owned practice. We are operated by nurse practitioners rather than physicians. Your experience that you're going to get here is going to be quite different than what you may have gotten through a large health system. We have patients that travel from all over the country to see us because they can't get answers where they are. I practice functional medicine because I've been that patient. And that journey of my own changed the way that I practice medicine. And through discovering functional medicine and looking at the root cause and the body as a whole in one system, I was able to figure out what was wrong with me and eventually correct those issues and get the life that I had lost back. I love that patients get better here. They thrive, we celebrate with them, we share in their story, we share in their experiences, and it's such a rewarding field to be in because, as I said before, people get better. I do feel like that we provide something that no one else here can provide.